Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before you watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Market downturns. Adele said the investors have spoken loudly and clearly about how little confidence they have in it right now. That includes a drop of 19% quarter-over-quarter in the venture capital investing, a plummeting in USD, which has tumbled 27% since January, and the continued bad news about cash reserves and a paused project from giants like Facebook and Netflix. Dale said, with that in mind, investors have some opportunities now to pick up some smart buys at a discount if they can know where to look. Market downturn often go hand if handled with opportunities to invest, and right now stock prices are lower than they have been in a month. She said the multiples in 2021 were very high, historical in fact, but they have come down, although it will take some years for the multiples to recover. This is the best time to look to invest in the solid growth companies. Commissioned a kid no votes Monday on the cryptocurrency mine settlement. A Washington County, Tennessee Commission said Greg Melville tells New 5-3 will not be a vote Monday night on a court settlement with the operator of a controversial cryptocurrency mine. Issues of a loud noise has residents opposing against part of the plan. Residents in the rural neighborhood surrounding the mine say it has plagued them with the loud roaring of computer fans ever since it opened. After months in the court swing to shut down operation, Washington County is still in talks on a potential settlement to move it, but the inclusion of a new location at the country industrial park is upsetting residents nearly. I don't want to have to come home every day to find a fence going and the really loud noises testing, Adrian said. Randy William can see the proposed location from his front porch. He is really neighbors and has hosted 2 meetings so far. He said the people are worried about how close the site is to Greenfield Elementary School. There are people who are concerned, Gilliam said. They are concerned about their kids who go here. We have parents who are concerned because they are autistic children who go to school. The settlement was founded by commissioners included a cap on how loud the noise could get, but that doesn't count Gilliam concerns having a cap on the level of noise. I'm sure certainly they will say that. The thing is being able to enforce it. What will you do? Gilliam said. Gilliam and his neighborhood expected a final vote at next Monday meeting, but the vote is scheduled. An update on the mine is expected to be a topic of discussion. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.